Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to remove a language from your keyboard in 2025. Whether you're tired of accidentally switching languages while typing or just want to simplify your device settings, this quick guide will get you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother removing a language? In 2025, with all the advanced AI keyboards out there, your device might have picked up extra languages from updates or app installations. Removing one can make your typing faster and more efficient. We'll focus on Android devices for this walkthrough, as they're widely used, but the steps are similar on iOS with slight variations. Step 1. Open your device's Settings app. It's usually the gear icon on your home screen or in the app drawer. Scroll down and tap on System or General Management, depending on your phone model. Step 2. Look for Languages and Input or Keyboard and Input Methods. Tap on that to access your keyboard settings. This is where all the magic happens. Step 3. Under the Keyboard section, select your current keyboard. Maybe it's Gboard, SwiftKey, or the default one. Then, tap on Languages or Manage Languages. You'll see a list of added languages here. Step 4. Find the language you want to remove and tap on it. There should be an option like Remove or Delete. Confirm the action when prompted. Poof, it's gone. If you're on an iPhone, head to Settings, General, Keyboard, Keyboards, then tap Edit and remove the language from there. Remember, always double check before deleting, as you might need to add it back later. One quick tip: if your keyboard doesn't update right away, restart your device or switch keyboards temporarily. In 2025, with smarter OS updates, this process is even smoother, but it's always good to test your changes. There you have it. Removing a language from your keyboard is that straightforward. It only takes a minute and keeps your setup clutter-free. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more 2025 tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.